Hi and welcome to the Insolvency Experts. I'm Stephen Kugel. Directors have a positive duty to prevent a company from trading and incurring credit while the company is insolvent. If directors fail in this duty, they may be held personally liable for the loss and damage suffered by creditors, and this may result in the loss of personal assets and even bankruptcy. In determining whether a director allowed insolvent trading to occur, a liquidator will conduct a detailed analysis of the financial information of the company in order to establish a precise date upon which the company became insolvent. Once a date is known, the liquidator is then able to quantify the damage caused to creditors between that time and the date of liquidation, and it is this amount that will form the basis of the damages claim. In performing his investigations, the liquidator will look for indicators of insolvency such as whether the company had been suffering continuing losses in the lead up to the insolvency, had paid taxes or other statutory obligations, had issued dishonoured or post-dated cheques, or had special arrangements with creditors, or if the company had been paying creditors outside of the normal terms, or had access to other finance, and so the list goes. While there is a long list of indicators of insolvency, it is for the liquidator to prove a company was allowed to trade and incur debts whilst it was insolvent. In this regard, if a director does not maintain company records, the law says there is a presumption that the company was insolvent throughout the period records were not maintained, and this presumption of insolvency means any claim brought against you will be virtually impossible to defend and could therefore result in the loss of your personal assets and potentially even your bankruptcy. Remember, if you think you may have a financial problem, the Insolvency Experts operates a confidential and entirely free 24-hour insolvency advice line with all calls to be anonymous if required. Call us 24 hours on 1300 767 525 and we'll be there to help.